Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about accessing character in string by index number. Okay, so how we can access a character from a string, okay, by using the index number. Let's understand this one. Suppose I am writing this one string, okay, called Python, Python, Python. So the index number will be given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if we are if you want to access P, then we will need to give the index number 0. If you want to access the H, then you will need to give the index number 3. Okay, so indexing will generally start from, if we are using the positive indexing, it will start from the 0, and we can also give the negative indexing. Okay, suppose Python, okay, and you did not know how many character is actually there, so we can generally start from -1. Okay, -1 represent the last character of that string, -2, okay, -3, like that, and so on. Okay, so here -1 will represent the n from backend side, -2 will represent the o from the backend side, and -3 will represent the h from the backend side. Okay, so this is nothing but similar to, you can say that in array the index number we used to put. Okay, so if you want to access, or suppose how we can access through a index number from a, you can say that string. Okay, so this is what we going to learn here, accessing character in string by index number. Okay, so let open our id. Okay, now I am going to go to new file and maximize this one. If you don't have this id, you can download it from python.org. Okay, now what I'm going to create, I'm going to create one, okay, one variable called city. Let keep it as city and store the string inside it. Okay, city. So what I'm going to store, Chenni, Chennai. Okay, now I have given as created a variable called city, inside that which I am storing a string called string, that is Chennai. Okay, so what I have to do is that I have to access this. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to write print that function, and I am going to write that variable city, and I am going to put that 0. Okay, that index value, sorry, index value, and I am going to close it. Okay, since it is indexing, I am going to save it as with the name of index.py. py is the extension for which we used to save the Python. Okay, Python program. Now run it. See what it's giving us. Yeah, see, for 0, what it is here is, okay, what you are seeing here is, just a minute. Okay, see, what I can, yeah, here, see character. Okay, now I'm going to close it. Now again I'm going to print. Okay, print control V, I'm going to put -1. Okay, now see what it giving. Save. Now run it. Okay, see, it is giving C and I. C for this 0, 0 first character, and -1 automatically it returning the last character. Okay, if you are putting -1, it is going to return the last character of that string. Okay, now suppose if you want to check positive stringing, positive indexing, put this one. Okay, control v, control v, control v, control v. Okay, now I'm going to give it as 2, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, if you don't know that length of that string, you know how to find the length of that string. You have to use print function, len function. Inside that put that variable name. It's going to return that length of that particular string. Now control S, now run it. Run. See, total length is 7. Till now we have only printed the 6. Now what I will do, I will print the control 6 and control V. I am going to put it as 6. Since it started from 0, so 6 is the last character. Okay. Now if you will again shift and control 5, you see 7 character Chennai. Chennai is written here, CHENNNI, Chennai. Now what happen if I am going to try to access the, okay, 7th character? You see, if you will try to access the 7 character, okay, you are going to get one error called index error, because 7 character here does not exist. Okay, see what they are saying, that you can see here index error. So remember, when you will try to access a index number which did not present here in your variable, so it's going to throw a error called index error. Okay, so this is your positive indexing. Now we are going to check that negative indexing. Okay, from last we can start -1. Okay, I'm going to remove this one. Now -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Let's hope what it's going to print. For now I am going to comment this one. Okay, now I am going to run. So -1, you know that it's the last character. From backend side it's going to check. Okay, so save it and now run. Invalid syntax, where it's giving, yeah, here I have not mentioned any character, any number. Okay, index value. So save, now run it. See what it's giving from last, IANNEH. Okay, so IANNEH, CH, where is C? C, let me, okay, so, oh sorry, since it is starting from 1 and 217, and I'm now it's going to give you correct thing. Okay, now run. See, from backside Chennai, 7 character. Now what I will try to access the 8 one. Okay, did -8 exist? You can check. Is we are going to get the error, you can find it from here. Okay, see what is given, city -8 index not found, index error. Other than this everything is same. So I hope you have understood that accessing character in a string by index number. So please like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day.